Hello everyone! In this video, we will see how to make thumbnails in CapCut, so let's get into it. First of all, navigate to the CapCut app on your phone and tap on the icon to open it. You can create an eye-catching thumbnail using CapCut easily. Once the app opens up on the screen, we need to create a project to import files for the thumbnail. So tap on New Project, and it will open your phone's media library. From the photo section, select the background that you want to use, and then tap on Add from the bottom right corner. Once the background is imported onto the track, from the bottom menu, tap on Aspect Ratio and adjust it to 16:9 for the thumbnail. Now tap on Overlay, and then add an overlay for another image. Select the image from the gallery and then tap on Add to proceed. Adjust the image size by stretching and change its position by dragging according to your needs. I am going to create a thumbnail for CapCut, so I will add another overlay and select the CapCut logo from the media library and tap on Add. Change its size and position as well to adjust it on the screen. Now let's add text to make the thumbnail more engaging. Tap on Text from the bottom menu and select Add Text. Enter text according to your needs. You can change the text size and position as well. You can change the text font, style, or apply effects by exploring these sections one by one. Tap on the check mark to apply the changes. Once you're satisfied, tap on the arrow icon at the top right corner to export the thumbnail. And that's it. You've successfully created a thumbnail using CapCut. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.